We spent the last few weeks enjoying the acoustical opulence of the Denon AH-D5200 headphones. With their Zebrawood design and custom 50mm drivers, these are some of the most fun headphones that we've got to test. Welcome everyone, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider, and we love trying out new headphones, and the latest pair that we picked up was the Denon AH-D5200. These are far on the more premium side of headphones, true hi-fi quality in a really classy, subtle design, not that plastic, glossy exterior that we've kind of come to see from a lot of consumer headphones. There are a lot of little touches here that we absolutely love, so let's go ahead and dive in. What probably makes these over-ear headphones different is this Zebrawood ear cup. It's actual wood around the outside and gives the tone a bit of warmth as well as looking striking. It's a rare quality that we've only seen on one or two other headphones in the past, and we really do like the sound and look that it brings to these headphones. Inside we have memory foam wrapped in a synthetic leather that's offset for even more comfort during long listening sessions. Each of those cups also rotates just a little bit, which makes it more comfortable putting on and off and fitting your exact head, but we do wish they would maybe lie completely flat, so if you take them off and wrap them around your neck, there's just a little bit more comfort there. The top headband is also extremely comfortable even out of the box. There was no real break-in period. It was just comfortable right away, no matter how long we wore these headphones. The headphones are on the large size, fitting a lot of different heads, including with their minute adjustments on either end. They're actually numbered, you can kind of barely see them against that glossy metal, but they adjust in increments rather than just completely free sliding. That makes it a little bit easier, and you can actually see which number you're on, so every time you put these headphones on, you know exactly what setting you should be at for optimal comfort, not having to adjust it each time. These are wired headphones, and Denon did include a lengthy audio cable with the box. It is nylon wrapped with metal accents at the end, in the middle, and at the top. Those overmolds make it even stronger, though the cable itself is quite on the long side and fairly heavy. In our experience, you're likely just going to use this around the home, around the studio, around the office, and not take it with you on the go. In those situations, that long cable comes in really handy, whether you're connecting it to your record player, your amplifier, your stereo, your hi-fi system, anything like that. You have enough slack to plug it in and be able to relax in your chair. Of course, if you do want to listen to audio on your iPhone or your iPad, you're going to be in a bit of trouble unless you have a DAC available. You're going to need that digital audio converter to convert either to Lightning on the iPhone or USB-C on the latest iPad Pros. It would have been preferable for Denon to include not only that DAC in the box, as well as maybe a shorter cable for taking it with you. When we listened to these headphones, they were absolutely amazing. They sounded crystal clear, great balance, and enormous sound space. The best way we could describe this audio is fun. As we listen to our pre-selected audio testing playlist that you can find on Apple Music and in the link below in the description, we found ample bass, excellent stereo separation, and our only miss was maybe a little bit glossy on the mids. Made vocals sound a little bit more smooth than they probably actually are in real life, but it provides a more fun and exciting sound, even though it's not as realistic as some others may be. If you're looking to drop some real cash on an excellent pair of headphones, we would recommend the AH-D5200s. They're a very simple pair of headphones, no controls in line, no noise canceling, but they look and sound great, and they're absolutely fun to listen to and comfortable for no matter how long. You can find the best price at the link down below in the description, and I want to hear what your favorite pairs of headphones. Let us know down in the comments or reach out to me at Twitter at Andrew_OSU. Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.